around the corner. And do you also want to wish your customers a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year? Then you are on the right video. You don't have to type and send manual WhatsApp messages to all your customers and lead. You just need this one bulk broadcast WhatsApp sending automation. And yes, this is very easy and you can send up to 100 of messages free for the first time. How? For that, grab on your laptops and follow me. So to do this, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send up to 100 WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. The coupon code is attached right over here because you watch our YouTube videos, and if you use this coupon code, you're going to get a very good discount on your subscription plan. So let's move on further and see how this automation can be created. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, sign up inside Pabbly Chatflow, and you're going to get 100 of credits free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in and sign in inside Pabbly Chatflow, and then come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, first of all, make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so how you can do this? For that, you have to click on this add WhatsApp number button. Over here, it will be available if you haven't added it yet. Once you click on this add WhatsApp number button, you're going to see two methods. A video tutorial dedicated towards how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So let's move on further and see how we can send this bulk WhatsApp messages. For that, you are in the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. From the left hand of the side, go towards this contact section. Before we set up this broadcast, you have to keep in mind that you have created the contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't created this till now, click on this add contact button and you're going to see the option of add bulk contact. So simply enter all the customer details in a Google Sheet and then go towards this file download and download this Google Sheets in CSV format, which is comma separated values. Once you downloaded this in CSV format, go on Pabbly Chatflow, click on this add bulk contacts and upload your CSV file right over here. Once you upload the CSV file, automatically the bulk contacts will be added and you can create a contact list out of it. And then further you can send broadcast message to that contact list. It is very easy and very simple. If you wish to learn this in detail, a video tutorial dedicated to it same is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. Alright, the next thing which you have to complete is, so from the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this template list. So if you wish to send template messages like this, then you have to first of all set up your template. As you can see that I have already set it up my template. If you wish to create a new template, go towards this add template button. Same if you want to learn about this template section in detail, a video tutorial is attached in the description box below. This video is only going to focus on how to wish our customers a Merry Christmas on WhatsApp. For that, from the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this broadcast section. Once you are on this broadcast section, click on this add broadcast button. After you click on this add broadcast button, it is asking you to select the broadcast type. So select it as broadcast campaign. Now it is asking me for the broadcast name. So let's say I'm just going to keep the name as wishes right over here. Now for the contact list, you can select multiple contact lists right over here. This is the reason I asked you to create the contact list before starting with the automation. You can send this WhatsApp messages to thousands and hundreds of customers at once. You just have to select the contact list right from here. I'm just going to select a sample contact list right over here. You can also select multiple contact lists. The next which we have is this message type. So first of all, if you want to send pre-approved template message, like I showed you before, you have to go towards this template section, create your template and get it approved by Meta. The second option is this regular message. You can simply type the message right over here. For that, first of all, you have to select the message type and then you have to type the message. But if you want to send pre-approved template message, select pre-approved template message and click on this select WhatsApp template. Select your WhatsApp template right over here. This is my template, so I've selected the same. Now it is asking me for this body field 1. So what is this? So as you can see over here, I have this one in curly brackets in front of hi. I want to replace this one with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my customer and lead feels special, that I am personally wishing them a Merry Christmas. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to simply keep this field as dynamic, and to keep this field as dynamic, from the left bottom of the side, you have to go towards this settings and then towards this contact custom fields. Once you're on this contact custom fields, you have to scroll and you're going to see over here are all the contact custom fields. If you have recently created your account, maybe you only see this 4 options, but you're definitely going to see this 4 because these are universal and these are already added in all the accounts. So if you wish to change the name and keep the name as dynamic, this is the name field. You have to simply copy this name and paste it right over here. Now this dollar name is going to be replaced with the name of the customer every time you send an automated WhatsApp message. So click on this done and your message type is ready. The next which we have is this username and phone number. So before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple contacts at once, if you wish to test this, what you can do is you can simply enter the name right over here and then you can enter the mobile number to whom you are going to send this test message. So let's say I'm just going to enter it right over here and click on this send test message. Once we're going to click on this send test message, it is saying test broadcast sent. So let's open our WhatsApp and as you can see, we have received this message and it is perfect. So now what we're going to do is you're going to see that this message is perfect and further I can send it to all my customers. Alright, so to send this to all my customers, what I'm going to do is I have 2 options, schedule for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this WhatsApp message instantly, you can select no send instantly, click on this add broadcast button and instantly this WhatsApp message will be sent to all the contacts you have in this list which you have selected. The second option is schedule for later, so you can also do this. I want to schedule this WhatsApp message for 9 a.m. in the morning on 25th of December, which is the day of Christmas. So I'm just going to delete this date and time which is already written right over here. You have to keep in mind the format of the date and time, which is month, date, year, hours and minutes. So I'm just going to go towards this calendar, select 25th of December. For the time, I'm just going to select it as 9 a.m. and click on this OK. Now you're going to see I've selected the date and time and now I'm going to click on this add broadcast button. Now you're going to see that we have successfully added this broadcast and now this broadcast will be sent to all my contacts I had in the list which I selected on 25th of December 9 a.m. and yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again right over here on Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to sit back and relax. And further, if you wish to view these stats, you can also view these stats by going towards this view stats message, and from here you're going to see how many were sent, how many were delivered, how many were read, pending or failed. And yes, with this we have successfully completed this video. So go and try this amazing WhatsApp broadcasting for your own business too and wish your customers and leads a Merry Christmas. And yes, you can send up to 100 WhatsApp messages for free first, and then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, you can definitely purchase a subscription. The coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out too. So see you in the next video with many more automation tips. Till then, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.